Okay, so what we're doing here is going over the behavior of gases exploration. So just a couple things to note. So what happens to a glass of water as you set it out? Level of water goes down. What does this tell you about the water? It's evaporating. What do we know about gases? They move fast in straight lines, lots of empty space, particles between the particles, undefined shape and volume, that kind of stuff. So we're going to do the first 2 pages together and I'll have you do a couple on your own. So if you count, there's actually 16 gas molecules in each of these. And the nice thing to know is that this one's at room temp, this one's at cold. So this one should have nice straight arrows of a certain size on all the particles, and this one should have smaller arrows since it's colder. So the size of the arrow determines the speed. So that's directly related to temp. So the speed here at room temp is higher and this one's lower. And if you look at the volume here, the size of the balloon here is higher and lower. So that means pressure here related to volume and temperature should be higher and lower. So if I'm looking at this, as I decrease temperature, so as temperature goes down, volume here also goes down. And the volume of gas decreases. I know this because the balloon shrunk. Okay. As you decrease temperature, the pressure, as you decrease temperature, so as temperature goes down, what happens to pressure? Pressure also goes down. And I know this because, well, I mean, for one thing, the volume shrank. So that means it's pushing back with less force. Okay, so you're really coming up with 2 different situations here. Now, as temperature increases, what happens to pressure? It also increases. And as temperature, so as temp goes up, pressure goes up. As temp goes down, pressure goes down, which means that this is called a direct relationship. Okay? So think about it this way. If I took temp and I multiplied it by 2, I'd get this temp. So what would happen to my pressure? It would double. Okay? So that means when I look at this and I'm graphing it, I got 0. Right here in the middle, I got 22 and 44. Here I got 1 and 2 atmospheres. My 2 data points would be right here and right here. So I see this nice straight line, which gives me a direct relationship. Okay, so your job now is going to be to roll through these and figure out the same situations that we would be doing, similar situations, and submit. Let me know if you have questions. Bye.